Hey guys, Matthew here with Circle G Custom Knives. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the channel. I wanted to create this to kind of bring this world in a more in-depth view to everyone. I want to be able to share the work that I do in a longer form and walk everyone through the process of what it takes to actually create a true custom knife from start to finish. I want to make it fun, I want to make it interactive and educational as well. So first, a little bit about me. I'm a self-taught bladesmith. I've been doing this for about 8 years. Picked it up as a hobby while I was in college just to keep my hands busy, and I've learned a lot along the way, and I want to share that process with you guys as well. But first, I want to make it fun and worthwhile to you as well. So we're going to begin a series soon where we're actually going to make a knife start to finish, and then once we hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give it away in a random drawing to one of the viewers. So you'll get a little bit of input on the blade style, the sheath, and even the handle as well. So stay tuned for that one. I'll post another video with that one coming up soon. But first, I've got some custom orders to take care of. So this one here, this 3-piece set, is full stainless, AEBL stainless. I just got it back from heat treat. I send stainless out to be professionally heat treated because I don't have the tools and equipment to do it the right way. So I let the professionals handle that for me. But today we're going to cut some bevels into these ones and see just how far I can get before we're going to get ready for work in the morning. So stay tuned. We're going to start with this small one here first on the 36 grit belt. I'm going to reprofile that just a little bit and then start my bevels. Take the point down with that clip, knock that down quite a bit, and just so it's a little bit smoother and it mirrors the style of the others in the set as well. Here's the first start on the initial side. You'll see me dipping this in a bucket every few passes. This is already heat treated and tempered, and this grinder puts out a lot of heat real fast, so I dip it in the water to keep it cool. That way it doesn't ruin the heat treat and the temper that I already have. So after a few minutes, we're off to a really good start. I'm going to continue to bring this up a little bit further with this 36 grit, and we'll switch to the other side and start on that one as well. My goal with this one being a paring knife is to bring this bevel all the way up to the spine, because I want a good, thin, sharp profile on this one. It's very useful. Okay, so we've walked this bevel almost all the way up to the spine, which is exactly where I want it. So I've got this side where I want it on my 36 grit belt. So now we're going to switch and start walking this side up as well. Okay, I pretty well got this one profiled where I'd like it to be on 36 grit. So we're going to slap a 60 grit and keep progressing through these. Okay, as we progress through these belts, this part will get a little bit faster each time, because we're not necessarily removing as much material as we are just smoothing out the grains and evening everything out as we progress through the grits. Okay, so far we took this one up to 60 grit on the belt grinder. That's all we're going to do for tonight. We'll pick this up next time and just continue through this process. So you guys will get to see this build from this point to the very end when I finish the other work. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share with your friends. See you next time.